Teddy, I told you to stay out of the beehive. I know honey is tasty, but it's dangerous. There's no time to lose. I need to put a bandage on your paw. Well, how do you feel now?
I'm okay, but you need to wake up. You overslept.
What?
Wake up!
I don't understand.
Wake up!
Huh? It was all a dream? Sue! Sue, you'll never believe it. I had a dream I was a doctor. I need to go to medical school. Dad!
Oh, Sammy, you're too young for medical school.
But Sue, I've got so many teddy bears to heal. They are so cute.
That must have been quite the dream. Oh, I know. I have a great idea, Sammy.
I love it when you say that. Let's go. Yay!
You want to go to medical school, so I thought we could build a hospital for you. How does that sound?
I've already drawn up some plans, Sue. I have it here. Check it out. We will need to demolish Roger's room, but it's a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
No, Sam. I meant we could build it right here. This way. Now we've got our very own hospital. It looks cool, isn't it?
Wow, it's amazing! My very own hospital! Let's take a look inside!
What do you think, Sammy? It's good, huh? So much stuff in here.
I'm not going to lie, Sue. I was hoping for more! Where are the beds? The machines? I'll be the laughingstock of the medical profession like that.
They do say laughter is the best medicine, don't they? Okay, first we're going to need a reception desk.
That's a start! But we're going to need a lot more! Are you sure we can't demolish Roger's room?
That's definitely not happening. What else does your hospital need, Sammy?
Let me think. Wait a second! I've got it! Hey, where are you taking that? We need an x-ray room and, my brilliant idea is not a toy.
But we need an x-ray machine, right?
Let's draw it right now! Here it is! I need to give it to Sue.
Thanks, Sammy. And the stand is ready, too. It's a perfect match. Our x-ray room is fully equipped. What's next, Sam? Sammy, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure! I'll take it all. How will I pay for it? Put it on Roger's credit card!
Who were you talking to? And, what is all that? I don't get it. It looks like Sam ordered some new stuff. But can we do that?
It's my show after all, so I can do whatever I want.
Okay, take it easy, Tiger. This is the ultrasound scan room. We'll have the best equipment of all. And the next room is for a general dentist's checkup. There's one more thing you need, Sam, and you're going to love it. If you're going to be a doctor, you're going to need a medical bag that fits everything.
I was just going to use my toolkit, but a medical bag sounds way better. It's good to have many things inside it. Patients can be so demanding sometimes. And let everything be bright.
While you're coloring the supplies, I'll make the frame for the bag. That's pretty easy, actually. anything you want. Okay, let's put this together.
Huh? Can you speak up? I can't hear you. Hello?
I said, whatever. Your bag is now ready.
Hey! You don't need to shout! Ew!
Oops! I guess the stethoscope really works.
Wow! This looks chic and stylish. It's the latest craze in Paris. Yay!
Let me put everything inside your bag and we'll be ready for the first patient.
This is so exciting! I can't wait, but hey, I forgot to change! Now I'm ready. Where is my first patient?
Oh, there is somebody at the door.
Great! I really wonder who it's gonna be today!
It's a doctor. She'll be assisting you today. You'll be learning medicine from the best, Sammy. Here comes our first patient. I wonder what's wrong with him.
It looks like a toothache. We'll need to examine him right now.
In that case, we need all his health details first, Dr. Sam.
Is the paperwork done? Let me see. We need an x-ray of that tooth.
Step this way, please, and have no fear. The doctors will take good care of you.
Is this thing safe? Oh, maybe he'll get superpowers after that? Nurse, show me the result.
Here it is. What do you say?
It's definitely a tooth. To the dental suite, quick!
The patient is already prepped for surgery. Please, don't worry. You're in good hands.
I can see that everything goes as it should. Keep working!
Woohoo! Now I feel so much better. Thank you all. Bye-bye, doctors.
Great job, Nurse Sue. Well done.
Thank you for that high praise.
Wait, did he pay? Hey, get back here! Get out of the way! This is an emergency! I finally made it. All that work has made me starving. What do we have here?
Sammy, have you forgotten something? What about your patients?
Oops, you're right. So who is up next?
I've called for another ambulance. We'll meet you at the hospital. We're here, doctor. Please help.
Almost there. Give me a second.
I don't think the patient can wait, Dr. Sam. She's in a lot of pain. In the meantime, let's just park this one. I guess we're gonna need this again. Let's fill out the checklist.
Okay, let's see. Stomachache? I know what to do. Let's go!
We need to give her a scan first. Let's use the special gel for that.
Everything will be okay. I know what the problem is. I'll solve it in a second.
You do? Whew, I'm glad to hear that. Now let's take our poor little girl to the treatment room and take care of her stomach. This medicine should do the job. One pill will be enough to relieve the pain. Come on, honey, open wide. And here comes an injection. All done.
Yay! The smile on my patients' faces makes my being a doctor worthwhile. Well, that and a really good paycheck. Thanks, dear patients.
And our hospital is closed for today. We can rest now.
Whew, I'm so sleepy now.
Yeah, what a day. Sam is exhausted, but he made a great doctor after all.
3, 2, 1, we have a liftoff! Huh? Hey, this doesn't look like outer space! Sue!
What? Were you having another dream, Sammy?
I was floating through the stars! I saw an alien! I'm destined to be an astronaut. I know that for sure.
Okay, I guess we need to build you a training rocket ship now. From paper!